I'm a holistic maternity consultant that combines both aspects of care. So this includes complementary therapy for maternity care and baby planning. Anytime really, from beginning. I would say from as early as even when you're thinking about getting pregnant, because I also offer treatments for fertility. Reflexology is actually well known to help with fertility and to work alongside other medical treatments as well. This will help boost just your happy hormones. I help to make women happier because I just provide a more positive way of life, way of thinking to help an overall holistic care approach. So offering my other treatments also involve aromatherapy oils, which I combine with my reflexology treatment, and it just gives you that extra, say, I can kill two birds with one stone kind of aspect. And this will help to eliminate, say, for example, backaches, anxiety, constipation, a number of symptoms that you wouldn't even have thought, but through reflexology, as it shows a whole map of the whole body, I can work on certain areas and certain points on the feet to help cure this. It's really all about teaching them to help themselves. By providing them with skills and techniques to parent with confidence, I offer just that calming, relaxing support system so that they feel that they are getting simple and basic understanding that they can take home and put into practice in everyday lifestyle.